Top 5 Best Art Easels for All Ages. Number 5. Jullian Escort French Style Easel. Traveling out into nature to draw or paint requires a great easel. The Jullian Escort French Style Sketchbox Easel is the perfect traveling resource for any artist who wants a lightweight solution for all their drawing or painting supplies. When folded, this thing is maybe 1 feet by 2 feet, and it's only about 6 inches thick. It can easily slide under a bed or get tucked away in a corner with no issues. And it comes with a drawer for storing oil paints, watercolors, or any other supplies together with the easel. The wooden build is really stable along with plastic bottoms on the legs. You can even fold in the legs and lie this flat on a table if you want to work tabletop. The angle is crazy flexible too. You can have the canvas fixed straight up or lying back at 90, or anything in between. The actual canvas board area measures 12 inches by 16 inches of beautiful mahogany wood. And it can hold canvases with a max height of 35 inches. When you need to finish painting for the day, you can fold up the easel and keep the canvas attached. It'll stay fixed on the outside of the folded easel so the paint can dry while you're on the go. There's so much to say about this easel, and it really is a beautiful piece of craftsmanship. I would absolutely recommend the Escort French Style Sketchbox for any serious artist. Whether you prefer plein air, watercolors, acrylics, oils, or even just carbon charcoal, this easel can handle everything. Bottom line, the Jullian Escort easel is a solid buy for all the storable drawers, lightweight portability, and incredible price tag. It's meant for more experienced artists, but it can work well for anyone. Coming in number 4. Royal Amp Langnickel Tabletop Easel. The great thing about tabletop easels is that they're cheap and easy to set up. Even a beginner can get started painting on a tabletop easel with no constraints. The Sorrento tabletop easel designed by Royal Amp Langnickel is a fantastic product. It's made with hard-oiled beech wood using brass hardware for the fixtures. It only weighs 4 pounds, which is crazy light. It also folds flat for storage or travel, which is super handy. The Sorrento uses an H-frame design, which is my favorite for traditional art. It only takes up a 1 foot by 1 foot area on the table with some overflow if you choose to tilt the canvas. When positioned straight upwards, it measures just under 3 feet, a tremendous height for a portable table easel. But this also limits the canvases you can use, with a general max around 24 inches high. Unfortunately, some of the design isn't as sound as it seems. Some of the bolts and wing nuts can get loose, which is a pain if you don't know how to tighten them. And the internals are glued together in some areas, which isn't the best protocol for an easel. Should these construction flaws turn you off from this easel? It depends on your willingness to tighten bolts if needed. And on your art budget. I'm happy with this design, and I think it can be a perfect beginner easel for aspiring artists or even young kids. But will it satisfy a professional? Probably not. Bottom line, this tabletop easel works great for beginners who don't need a 5-star perfect design. Get this if you just want to paint small canvases on your desk without taking up much space. Coming in number 3. Colossal A-frame Easel. What I like most about this easel is how it combines the A-frame shape with the H-frame design. The Colossal A-frame easel, made by American Easel, is fairly large with a solid build. It can hold up to a max of 50 inches canvases. The price is great, and it works very much like my recommended pick at the top of this post. However, this is a bit heavier and slightly larger because of the A-frame shape. The entire easel is made of northern red oak and built to be foldable. It can hold very large frames, and the wood is surprisingly sturdy. Rubber bottoms on the legs hold this easel in place whether you're working on carpet, hardwood, or in some grass outside. And the rubber feet are specially designed to be skid-free, so you can drag this thing anywhere. So what's the downside? Well, it is very thin, so even though it's sturdy, it can feel like it's not. But there's also nowhere to place your brushes or pencils, not to mention the movable holders can be tough to get into position. The size and shape are a perfect fit against the Art Supply adjustable studio easel. These both seem like comparable models based on specs. But the Colossal falls short in a couple areas that really do make a difference. Bottom line, if you're looking for an A-frame shape with H-frame support, then the Colossal will not disappoint. It can fit very large canvases, but doesn't have anywhere to store brushes or pencils. Coming in number 2. Art Alternatives Sonoma Sketchbox Easel. Sketchbox easels get their name from their ability to be folded into portable boxes. They often come with extra storage for art supplies, which is great for plein-air painters. Art Alternatives is a big manufacturer, and one of their best easels is the Sonoma Sketchbox Easel. It's super affordable and surprisingly durable. When folded, it only weighs 15 pounds, and it comes with a shoulder strap for carrying around. As you can tell, this takes up a good amount of space when totally unpacked and set up. It comes with a sliding drawer in the front and a removable palette for painting. When folded, it measures 17 inches wide by 22 inches long, or just about 1.5 feet by 2 feet. It really does fold nicely, and it folds up small too. The lateral height when folded is only 6.5 inches, or just about half a foot. This should slide under most beds or fit into most closets. If you want to use this as a tabletop easel, you can fold the legs up and lie it flat. This way you can still access the supplies drawer, but it won't be too large for a table. Max canvas height is about 34 inches, or just under 3 feet. Pretty reasonable for a folding sketchbox easel. The beechwood finish looks incredible, and the legs are super sturdy. Overall, a fantastic easel for the money and perfect if you like this style. Bottom line, if you want a portable easel for painting, then the Sonoma Sketchbox Easel is beautiful. It can also work for newer artists who want an easel they can easily stow anywhere. Coming in number 1. US Art Supply Adjustable Studio Easel. I cannot think of a better easel for home use than the US Art Supply Adjustable Studio Easel. For all its features, this is definitely priced well, and it comes with a sturdy beechwood construction. You could easily fit a canvas pushing 50 or even larger. And it'll likely hold up to 50 pounds or even more, so there's really no limit to your artwork. The base only takes up about 2 feet in all directions. If you can plot a square of about 2 by 2, then this should fit well, leaving yourself room to stand too. Hitting the max height of 8 feet is tremendous. This thing can hold some pretty large canvases, but it can also be just a simple working easel for home practice. The casters make it easy to roll around. They don't have locks, but they have wing nuts that you can use to keep it in place. Also, the front storage area is plenty large enough for brushes, pencils, erasers, whatever you need. And it has a raised lip which keeps pencils from rolling onto the floor. If you need to put it away, you can fold it down and keep it in a closet or leaning in a corner. When folded flat, this easel is still at least half a foot thick. Still, the adjustable height and folding features make this more than perfect for someone working in a small apartment or bedroom. Highly recommend this easel for anyone serious about art. Bottom line, simple H-frame easel with adjustable height from 6 to 8 feet, rolling casters for portability, and easily folds for storage. Amazing easel for just about any purpose.